In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cutting line on your GREENWORKS dual-line auto-feed string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded models fitting this description. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Cut 2 pieces of cutting line approximately 3 meters long. Please note, trimmer line comes in different diameters. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure that you're using the correct size line for your unit. Let's get started. Replacing the cutting line. Rest the unit on a flat surface with the trimmer head facing up. Push the spool cover tabs on the sides of the trimmer head at the same time. Please note, this may require a significant amount of strength. Pull and remove the spool cover along with the empty spool. If the spool or spool cover are worn, please discard these items and replace with new parts. Bend one end of each trimmer line approximately 1/4 inch. Insert one of the bend ends into one of the mounting holes on the spool. Note the direction of the arrows on the spool and wind the line around the spool tightly in the indicated direction. Do not wind cutting line beyond the edge of the spool. Secure the cutting line in the guide slot. Repeat this process with the second line and the other channel. Place the spool back into the housing and insert the ends of the cutting lines through the eyelets. Once seated, pull each line firmly to release them from the guide slots on the spool. Reinstall the spool cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.